In this video, we will continue importing bitmap images and we will show you how to convert one into a cross-stitch design. The procedure is simple. First, use the From File icon to locate any image you like. Find the bitmap image you want and open it. A dialog appears showing the selected image and the available handling options. Each option is presented in a separate video. Here we will present Open as cross-stitch. First of all, have in mind that you can easily scale an image to fit in any desired hoop. Now, the image is converted in a cross-stitch design. Let's take a look at the options of cross-stitch. First, you can select the thread palette to see the actual thread colors. Now, you may define the number of colors. The software analyzes the imported image and sets the number of colors accordingly, but you may change that number at will. That is, you may choose to merge certain colors or have other missing ones appear. Now is the time to define the number of repeats. This is the number of times each cross is embroidered. You may also change the cell size. Using blending, you can control how much the colors will blend. By default, a medium amount of blending is applied on the design's colors. As you can see, creating cross-stitch design based on a bitmap image is a piece of cake. And remember that such a design can easily be converted into photo stitch, paint stitch, or sketch. Whenever an image is imported and converted into any bitmap fill type, cross-stitch, photo stitch, paint stitch, or sketch, by default it is automatically framed into a rectangular area. When importing a PNG image with transparency, though, and select any of the types that are automatically filled with stitches, the software will only generate stitches for the non-transparent area of the image. This ensures that the finished product has clean lines and does not waste any thread or fabric by filling in unnecessary spaces. Let's see how it works. Import a PNG image with transparency. Use any of the conversions that add decorative stitches on top of the imported image. Scale the image to fit in the hoop. As you can see, the decorative stitches were generated only on the non-transparent area of the image. But when the image is selected, you see that the rectangular area of the whole image is still there. This means that if you switch to Node Editor, you may actually edit this area. So, what if you want to remove this empty area and just keep the image shape? Well, there is a special option for that. Select the image and go to Convert menu on the top toolbar. Use the Transparency into Clipping Region option, and the transparent area of the image is clipped. Just like that, you get a clean part of the image to handle.